Hello and welcome to Smexy Beast 007. Today I will be playing Halo Reach, which is kind of sad. Yeah, this is matchmaking on Halo Reach. It's gonna be so cancerous, it's not gonna even be fun. Dude, bruh, how are you going to kill anybody, teammate, if you don't even have someone in the back to shoot people? Look at this dumb nigga. Person. Trying to not be racist. Or sound racist. Freaking pussy. How is they still alive? I don't even know what English word that was. How is they? Yeah. It's my warthog now. Oh, someone already took the Falcon. My team's already in the lead? What? Bro, what the hell is that? Something is shooting at me. I seriously have not played this in a while. No, not like this. Not like these. No! Come on. How the hell did they get the rocket launcher in 2 seconds? Yeah, I got really bored there. There must be a ghost somewhere. Whoops, my finger slipped. And it can still drive somehow. I see the motherfucker. I'm coming for you, fool. Did I not see that person earlier? Bruh. Oh wait, I have a jetpack also. Oh wait, that's a Banshee, not that random guy. How is this fool still alive? There we go. I immediately regret my decision. Wait, what the hell? There's legit no one here. I thought like everyone would be camping up here. Yes. Oh, I literally just saw something. What the hell did this person come from? Bruh! They literally like flew out of nowhere. Up a little asshole or something. Wait, is that an enemy ship? Get over here! Oh wait. I thought today would be like full Halo Ratchet realm. It's almost full Halo Ratchet realm right now. Oh yeah, I keep on forgetting this isn't Destiny. Wait, is this idiot just like Fearless Pikachu is their name? What kind of name is that, Nato? What kind of grenade throw was that, myself? That was even worse. I don't even do Jake Sheet. That's awkward. Okay, the guy must be hiding in the. He was there the whole time. What? I literally saw him jump off the mountain, and then he's still somehow there. He might have a jetpack, but still. I'm gonna just hang out in the gun. Yes. Oh wait, that motherfucker's probably still there. And sorry for all the swearing. I bet most of you people are like, watch your propane tank. Bruh. He has a rocket. Didn't that... I think that was like the same guy with the fuel rod. It feels like it was. Oh, there's a ghost. It's not even a tiny little midget British thing that kind of doesn't really help at all. This is the good ghost. Except for when that shit happens. Oh, I thought I betrayed my teammates. Who's sniping me from across like the fucking map? I know to watch my propane tank. profane tank. If oh yeah, double splatter. Kind of. Oh, I thought that was an enemy. Get over here. Don't question my methods. Bruh. Bruh. You're gonna get the rocket launcher too? That is like the ultimate hog. Not even a warthog, just that guy's a freaking hog. Like, he took all the super weapons and he's probably gonna die with them. Like, he's gonna get his dumbass blown up in 2 seconds, just like I would. What the hell is everything? Out of this house! I wanna just fly up a rock. 'Cause I'm Brock. Ali. What the hell was that? Someone has a rocket launcher and they're trying to murder me. Not today. Not to. Bruh! He's just sitting there all casually. Yeah, I'm tired of this war too, Mato. I'm tired of this fucking war also. So, what's your name? Is it Fred or something? Bruh! I'm talking to Fred over here. But you gotta be a little a-hole. What if I want to make new friends? Is Fred still there? I'm coming for you, Fred. That was a briefcase randomly there. I didn't know that was there. Homeboy Fred, I'm coming for you. Have to kill these filthy blues first. Fred, are you even still there? Bruh! I just want to talk to Fred. He was the homeboy. Oh, he's not there anymore. I can't believe you've done this. You self-righteous fag. I don't know how to aim. Why is the aim so... I literally keep on getting confused between... Wolf, stop doing that. Where did they snipe me from? Arkansas? Iowa? Where? People in Canada are too nice to snipe you. I highly doubt it was Canada. What the hell was that? Like, they had armor lock while standing up. And I somehow still killed them. Because I'm the boss. I'm gonna take that rocket launcher. It's mine now. Well, what you gonna do? Well, oh yeah, I didn't even know it was there and stuff. Oh, it only has 2 rounds. Bruh. I don't know how to aim. What the hell? Like, I literally just... Wait. There's like... I don't even know how to explain what just happened. That was awkward. I literally died, flew into the hover thing, and then, like, hovered. Convenient ghost. Convenient ghost. Yeah. Convenient ghost. I didn't even hit him, but still. Bruh! I literally hit them, like, right before they did that. Or maybe, I don't know. Guess why Halo is sad. I'm so sorry, Convenient Ghost. You were the homeboy. Okay, let's go pick up all the chicks in this canyon. Where's all the ladies? Oh, I see how it is. Hey, ma'am. I'm here because you have a speeding ticket. You're going over the 5-mile-per-hour limit. Went at like 2 miles per hour. Yeah. totally went over it. That was the dumbest thing I ever did. Besides be born. Yeah, when this happens to you, you just know you're just like, oh. And then like in GTA, that little run in the water would have instantly stopped the car. Out of this house. The second I jump out of it, literally all of them are horny for me. I guess they all want the D without a fee. I'm trying to rhyme here, but no. That was like the coolest but yet dumbest grenade throw. Why does this map gotta be so freaking huge? Does this guy not even know I exist? Bruh! Where? Literally a falcon, a random guy on a jetpack, and the guy that just realized I was there halfway through started murdering me at the same time. This should pick up chicks too. I can dream, damn it. I can dream. So I'm going across the country in my little thing that can't work. Oh, this guy has a legit sniper rifle. It smells like my BO in here. I mean, it smells like something else in here. That's like the most useless thing in existence. Like, what are those even for? Oh, that's right, jumping off the tower, I guess. You know what? Maybe I should try that. I mean, my team's losing anyway, so it doesn't frickin' matter. Oh, wait, they're catching. Who cares? Ooh, will the other team make it to 69? Come on, other team, you can make it to 6, or maybe my team will make it to 69 first. Oh, they got 69. Okay, I'm gonna try that thing. I'm gonna probably most likely get my dumbass killed. Just gotta fly over to this thing. No! Oh, that's sad. My team literally took the lead as soon as I could. I was literally flying with my jetpack for 2 seconds and then I still died. And I wasn't even touching the ground. Hate school assassinated someone? Same, bro. We all gotta do it. Eventually. What the hell was that? Bruh! Yes, I have 5 points. Should have 6 if I didn't kill myself. That was like the most useless thing ever. I'm 1738. Okay, I forgot how the tone goes. Tune go, whatever. Wait, that's a legit person. Oh, someone else. It's called Karma Biatch. Biatch. I feel sorry for any of you that just happen to like watch this on like your Xbox or PlayStation and like your parents are home AF. And they're like, what the hell are you watching? And then I probably get my channel deleted and never get subscribed to. I can dream it. What the hell? Oh, they must have done the gayest thing ever. Bro, I literally just got it back and then they stopped it. Who the hell did that? Bro, I didn't even get a chance to shoot. Fuck you, people. Why do I have sprint on? I didn't even click on sprint. Like, oh, you've been using jetpack the whole time, never clicked any buttons. We're just gonna randomly force you to sprint. Oh wait, there's 10 seconds left. I believe I'm... Wait. 3 seconds. I believe I am capable of flight. Oh, from the grave! And my team still won. From the graves. Sour Cuddy 69. I am done. Crap, I don't want to break my controller. Okay. That's just... It's just... Why? Abels? And then this guy's like, why not? I'm just like, well, because it makes you look like a 12-year-old. There's a legit British guy on his mic right now, just randomly rambling like I did. Like he's probably pissed because I teabagged him secretly. Yeah, I got the killing spree totally. Not Sour Cuddy 69. I'm the best. I'm sadly gonna make another Halo Reach video. Okay, this is really awkward with the way my phone is. So just hang in there. Yes, that's the ceiling.